Your liver may be dying and there is a way to get it back. Take just 8 minutes to invest in yourself and live a more comfortable life. Let's get started. What if I tell you something you know wrong about the liver? The liver does not store toxins. Instead, it removes harmful substances that enter the body. Toxins are actually stored in fat cells. If your liver is fatty, it is storing toxins, but a healthy liver does not accumulate toxins. The liver deals with toxins in 2 stages. The first stage is the breakdown of toxins. The second stage is the conversion of these substances into a harmless, water-soluble form. In this way, the toxins can be eliminated from the body. While these 2 steps are taking place, there are some nutrients that the body needs. These are B vitamins, antioxidants, and folic acid. These are necessary for the liver to function properly. These nutrients help the liver to carry out its reactions and get rid of toxins. The liver breaks down pesticides, herbicides, fungicides, alcohol, caffeine, corticosteroids, antidepressants, blood pressure medicines, and many other chemicals in the environment. It also processes harmful substances found in cigarettes or from secondhand smoke. In addition, many chemicals that enter the body, such as gasoline fumes, reach the liver directly and need to be processed. The liver works constantly to minimize the effects of these harmful substances, so it is like a machine that works all day long. One of the interesting aspects of the liver is that it can regenerate itself. Even if a quarter of the liver remains intact, with a healthy diet, the liver can regain its former size. However, for this healing process to take place, the level of damage to the liver must not exceed a certain limit. That is, the liver can only regenerate itself up to a certain level. I wonder if the liver is examined and how this regeneration is understood. Can other organs be integrated with this gene therapy? It made me think. If you have watched the video so far, would you like and follow for my labor? In this way, the video can reach more audiences and help more people regain their health. One of the other properties of the liver is that it helps to balance hormones in the body. For example, when there is too much estrogen, testosterone, or androgen in the body, the liver regulates these hormones. Likewise, when there are too many stress hormones in the body, such as cortisol, the liver steps in and balances these hormones and helps prevent depression. However, when the liver becomes fatty and inflamed, these balancing functions are disrupted and various symptoms can occur. One of these symptoms is itching, especially in the feet and legs. You feel tired or sluggish all the time. Fat around the belly can also occur due to fatty liver. When the liver is fatty, this fat spreads around the organs in the body and is particularly prominent in the abdomen. Diabetes, prediabetes, and insulin resistance are other health problems associated with liver disorders. The liver can also lead to many skin problems and cause joint disorders such as joint stiffness. Problems such as flatulence and bloating can also be signs that the liver is unhealthy. Now, before I talk about the nutrients necessary for the regeneration of the liver, I would like to explain what damages the liver, how it gets worse, how it dies over time. There is a rule in medical language, even the first rule. First, do no harm. Primum non nocere. Fructose-rich substances are very harmful for the liver because they lead to insulin resistance and fatty liver disease. In addition, toxic substances such as pesticides, herbicides, fungicides, and heavy metals threaten the health of the liver. These substances can be found in the food we consume. Some medicines are also poisonous for the liver. For example, drugs containing synthetic cortisol, such as prednisone, can damage the liver. Antacids and antibiotics also affect the liver very badly. Unsaturated vegetable oils, such as corn oil, soybean oil, cottonseed oil, canola oil, sunflower oil, and peanut oil, are high in omega-6 fatty acids, which cause inflammation. These oils pose a serious threat to the liver, especially when used for frying. Fried foods and snacks are extremely harmful for liver health. Snacks such as fried cheese, onion rings, and corn chips are very damaging to the liver. Deep-fried foods also threaten liver health. Alcohol, sugar, and refined carbohydrates are other liver-damaging foods. If you have watched the video so far, would you like and follow me for my efforts? In this way, the video can reach more audiences and help more people regain their health. First of all, foods that cleanse the liver and reduce inflammation should be preferred. These foods help the liver to regenerate itself and prevent the development of diseases such as cirrhosis. Cruciferous vegetables such as kale, broccoli, cress, cabbage, and beetroot. Brussels sprouts are especially good for the liver. These vegetables contain enzymes that are effective in the first stage of the detoxification process and encourage the body to produce these enzymes. In addition, these vegetables are also noted for their antioxidant properties and protect the liver. Fermented sauerkraut supports liver health and reduces fatty liver thanks to its probiotic content. Sauerkraut is also rich in vitamin C. 1 cup of homemade sauerkraut can contain up to 700 milligrams of vitamin C. Another important food is eggs. Eggs contain high amounts of choline, and choline is one of the most effective substances for melting liver fat. Eggs also play an important role in detoxification processes thanks to their high-quality protein content. Easily digestible, eggs offer a nutritious option without straining the liver. Broccoli sprouts also contribute to liver health. Broccoli sprouts contain 100 times more sulforaphane than adult broccoli. Sulforaphane is a phytonutrient that protects against cancer and helps the liver's detoxification processes. Beetroot is also beneficial for the liver. Beetroot stimulates bile secretion from the liver, reduces inflammation, and prevents fatty liver. Beetroot can be consumed raw or steamed and added to meals. Garlic is rich in sulfur compounds that the liver needs in the first and second stage detoxification processes. Garlic also has anti-inflammatory properties and protects liver health. Olive oil, garlic, and lemon are definitely not missing from my salads. Don't you either? And finally, foods containing omega-3 fatty acids are also beneficial for the liver. Salmon is especially rich in this nutrient. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and help reduce fatty deposits in the liver. And as a bonus, anything bitter and sour is good for the liver, especially apple cider vinegar, diluted with water, of course. It's good for blood sugar and the liver, especially fatty liver. Please don't forget to like the video and follow me.